Alright, we are here at Riverpoint Village in Fox Point, Wisconsin, and we have an elevator ride. Take a look at this. We have a Dover Impulse. Looks like this could be a ThyssenKrupp or ThyssenDover. Oh no, this is just regular Dover. Let's go to 2. Here we go. It's a bit creaky, but okay. It runs okay. We'll go to 1. 88 phone. Let's get a cab view. It's a basic cab. Nothing really too special here. Because it's a little bit dim here. It's your indicator, impulse buttons. 2,000 pound capacity is your COP. I think this was installed in like the, I think it was the early 80s, I think, or mid. Ring the bell real quick. Let me just show you the bumper here. Cool. Alright, let's watch the door close now. There it goes in. That'll be it. Never seen a call button like this before. Like the up is on, like the up arrow font is under the button. Alright, well that'll be it.